so let's go over how to draw Bluey and Among Us mixed together, okay? So let's get started, all right? So first thing I do here is I'm going to draw a curve right here, kind of for the face shield of Among Us. Curve right here for the front. I'm going to go over here to the side. And I'm going to curve underneath. There you go. So you have that like epic kind of shape, right, of an Among Us crewmate. So that's kind of first and foremost. So over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the eyebrows of Bluey. So curve down in right there, kind of like a marshmallow shape. It can be kind of angled out that way. Gonna go over here, right there, on that side, and they're gonna go over here. Line. Keep going over here. Line. And keep going over here. A line on this side. So now we're going to pick up around this right here, and we're going to pull a line downward, all right? Down right here for the foot. Flat line underneath. Pulling up. Line right here. Down. And now we're going to go over here. We're going to keep pulling downward. Right here. And curve underneath. All right, let's go over here on this side. And I am going to, so let's bring up more Bluey kind of stuff, right? So one thing you could do is you could draw a thin line right underneath here. So it's going to be kind of like that discoloration on Bluey's mouth, right? We're just putting a thin line underneath to kind of represent that. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to draw a line down right here, and over here on this side, down right here. It's going to have that color change on Bluey's stomach. Line out. Line out over here. Curve. 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 Right there. Right on. That's going to be for the tail, right? Which is like a big identifier for Bluey. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Bluey or, Among Us. It kind of helps the channel a lot, and yeah, I really appreciate it. Let's go over here now for the backpack, pulling out. And then we're going to just like drag this one all the way down over here, right there. Over here on this side. Up over here. And down right there. Let's go over here on this side for the other side right there. Up over here. And we're going to kind of keep, we're going to pull it down, kind of fan it out a little bit because we want it to kind of fit on the character. Otherwise, we really wouldn't be able to fit it, right? That's kind of something big. What I want you to do is I want you to remember that there's a lot of cool stuff in the description. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. It's a 10-page ebook, and it's your guide to drawing anything cute. You can draw a character cute. You can draw like one of your parents, one of your pets, one of your brothers and sisters, anybody. Just you can make them cute, right? I give you the formula to cute. The formula to cute is in proportion, right? How big the head is usually compared to the body. That's just one example. But the guide gives you like these very, very easy to follow how-tos so that you can make anything cute. And the cool part is once you know this information, you will remember it forever because it's just charts. Nothing's written down. I think there's like one page of some writing, but everything is charts and it is made for you. So absolutely take advantage of this. It is free right now, and I even go through different hands and stuff like that and feet in order for you to use. But go get that right now because it's not going to be free forever. I am going to start charging for this probably in a month or two, so definitely pick that up right now. It's the first link in the description. So let's go over here and draw the inside of that. Line down and line down. Over here, line up, and line down. Cool, cool, cool. Curve over here. Circle right there. You got that highlight, right? You get that highlight shine on the viewport right there. That's really important. You could always make this line a little bit thicker, just kind of offset it and make it a little bit kind of, just make it a little bit different right here. But it doesn't really matter what you do. You can make that wiggly line, doesn't matter, okay? The important thing is to just get the gist of it, right? That's what you're after. The gist of it is good enough. Let's go over here and draw a line down for the discoloration on the tail, okay? Then we're going to look over here on the feet, and we're drawing another kind of discoloration right here on this side, and then we're just going to follow that through all the way. It's kind of like a rhythm. Go over here and follow that through on this side. And all right, let's go to more kind of the color changes of this character. So line down over here, and I'm trying to make these lines a little bit thinner. Down over here. Continue on this side, curve, and continue on this side. Curve right there. Gonna go over here on this side, down, and okay. Now for the final, by the way, we're almost done. The last thing is I want to make a thicker outline in order to kind of make the character read a little bit better. And it's best to do this on these Among Us characters sometimes because they're generally simple outlines to the outer shape, so it is cool to do that. Line up over here, line down, line over here, curve, and line up over here. Gonna go over here, down, line across, over here, line over here, and down on this side, arching over there, curve over here, right there, and line right there. Right on. And that's mostly it. I want to thank you very much. Share the video. That's the best thing you can do as a thank you to me. Also, I want you to stay right there. We're going to go through another drawing lesson right now, okay? So let's get started on the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.